Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Roblox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in roblox.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Roblox website. Now in order to log in, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Simply type in your username, your email address or your phone number within the upper section and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Roblox account right away. And in case you have forgotten your password, you will find the forgot password and the username option within the login section as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.